Hey, what's up? So unfortunately I forgot my GoPro at home, so I'm just gonna make this vlog on my iPhone. But we're currently at Woodbury Commons right now. My plan is to go to Nike. I'm hoping I can find some more stuff. I already called them earlier to see if they had that jacket, but they don't. But the whole store, they told me, is 30% off, so we'll hope we can add some things to that collection. If not, there's also a North Face here. Always want to do like something with North Face, something similar like Supreme, but like my own little sauce to it. So we're just gonna walk around, hopefully I find something. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can, but currently at Woodbury Commons, it's like an hour and a half from my house, so I'm hoping this is not an L. Actually, it's not gonna be L. No matter what, I will be spending at least $100. Like, there's no way I drove all the way here for that. But let's get back to it right now. I'm gonna go see what they got. All right, so I'm in the first Nike. This outlet actually has two Nikes, which I wasn't aware of. But look what we have. It's the same exact jacket. This freaking 3 mediums, 2 smalls, another jacket there, and look how many larges. The only issue right now is that it says it is $100, which I'm hoping is not the price. So hopefully I get these for like $50 if I can. This is looking like a big W, but for $100 it's definitely not. So I'm gonna hope and pray that it's not 100 and it's actually 50, so we'll see how that goes. So unfortunately, I drove an hour here hoping to find these jackets, and then I was perplexed, honestly. The fact that there was that many, like, let me really show you right now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 jackets, but unfortunately the price is $100. There's no additional discount. I think if it was even $70, I might buy maybe a couple just to have more, like, you know, 2 of each size. So I think I'm just gonna let this one sit. Kind of sucks. It would have been a great story if I could find all these for $35, but for what I'm trying to do, put WayBeforeTheFame on it and sell it and break a profit, there's really not a lot of money with this. Even though I could buy some, I could buy like 2 or 3 and then divide that with $35 jackets and I'll be able to still make some profit. But I don't know, I'm just gonna go to the other Nike outlet. We'll see what happens there. And we'll see what else. Maybe I could buy something else. But as of right now, it went from it being an A+ fire ass jacket situation, thank God I drove all the way here, to nah, not really. So I'm gonna put these down and we'll see what happens from here. Something I always wanted to do was buy a hat like this, not this color obviously, like a solid color like this, and then embroider my bear and put WBTF there. But these hats never go on sale, so I'm gonna continue to walk around. Maybe I can get something for the future, but I'm still really bummed out about those Nike jackets. I'm gonna see if I can ask an employee if they could swing that discount or something. So the first purchase of the day is gonna be this classic bear tee. Unfortunately, it's a 2X, but it's only 20 bucks and it's 20% off. So that's like, what, $16? Can't go wrong with that. So I'm gonna just buy this. No idea what I'm gonna do with it. If someone in this video wants a cop, definitely comment below. But it's one of those things I'm gonna just hoard, and maybe eventually I'll accumulate a bunch of bear tees and just throw something crazy on it. So this is gonna be the first cop. So I'm at the Nike outlet now. Not really much going on. They got these Fear Gods here. If you're looking to buy, 80 bucks with 30% off. On the Kumpos, they got these 6s here too. What else? Couple KDs, Kyries, but there's nothing really WayBeforeTheFame wise. The only thing I would buy is this hoodie. It's kind of the same design as I did before. It's 40 bucks plus 30% off, which isn't terrible, but that's still kind of a lot of money to be able to sell it and do something. So I think I'm gonna pass on this as well. I'm gonna try to see what else they got here. Worst comes to worst, I might buy a couple, because 40 plus 30% off is what, $28. That's not terrible, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna continue to walk around. All right, next up is North Face. North Face is kind of similar to Nike in they have a bunch of stuff, but like you gotta drop the bank. Like, this is a nice pretty blank canvas. You know it's warm because it's North Face. It's 50% off and it's only 60 bucks, so it's just $30. And it's not bad, but like, damn, how much I gotta sell it for? Like 70? They even got this one. This one's pretty dope. It has pockets. It's 50 bucks. And then they got like the sale stuff over here. And if you got a place like me where I could experiment with like screen print and embroidery and stuff, you could honestly buy like one of these jackets and do something similar to like Supreme or Palace. Like this jacket right here, it's kind of a blank canvas. It's kind of loud as well. And if you do something crazy like embroidery or screen print wise, you could really make this look really good. Yeah, I think I'm about to leave North Face. If I had a bigger following, I really would take the gamble on these jackets. Like they're retail $150, they're only $50 and they're dope. Like they have a little side pocket here. The whole thing is fleece, 2 side pockets there as well. And it's a blank canvas. Like you could embroider something here, do like a crazy big embroidery on the back or something on the sleeve. This is just like a dope piece. But if I buy 12 of these jackets, that's $600. So like, I don't know if I want to really take that gamble right now. But this is definitely something that you could really like look into. They even got book bags and stuff if you want to do something. Again, blank canvas. But I'm probably just going to leave right now, go to another store. We'll see where we go to next. I'm still indecisive on those Nike products. Alright, so I'm back in Nike. Just looking at these jackets and I'm about to drive home. It's kind of making me sad that I can't buy them, but that $100 price tag is just too much. Even if I buy like, let's say 5 of them, right? And I kind of divide it between the $35 and add it together. It's just, I feel like I'm just gonna play the waiting game. Hopefully it'll go on sale. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just leave. Outlet didn't treat me the best, but it is what it is. That's something you gotta kind of take in consideration if you're gonna make these trips, is that you're not always gonna find something realistically. With that being said, I'm gonna get out of here. I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere else. So hopefully this video made sense. I really do want to ask an employee, like, yo, if I buy a couple of these, can I use some type of discount? But I don't really feel like getting rejected right now, so let's just get out of here. I don't think I'm going anywhere else. But if this is the end of the video, thanks for watching.